Guys, I just wanted to come on here really quick and show you guys another way that I like to enjoy my biotin. I make something that I call my beauty water or whatever. That's just what I like to call it. And I know I showed you guys before some of my favorite water bottles to do that in, but I just received this one right here, and I hate to say it again, but this has officially become my best water bottle. I'm always looking to upgrade. This is the Bottle Joy water bottle, if anybody wants to know. It is a food grade plastic. It's BPA free. You can do it in a dishwasher, and it comes with all these nice like time markers, which clearly I am off because I am just now making my drink right now, but I drink my water so fast that I'll be able to catch up to the second portion as you just drink it down, refill, and then you refill it. So this is the bottle right here. Like I said, I really like this one because it's clear. I can see exactly what's inside of it, and I can also put it in the dishwasher, and it comes with like a little carabiner on there right here that makes it easier for carrying. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I do to make up this drink right here really quick. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you guys stay tuned. First thing I'm going to do is fill my bottle all the way up to, even though it stops right here at 31 ounces, I'm going to fill mine up to the 1,000 milliliter mark, and then we'll move on from there. Okay, so now that we have all of our water in here, I'm going to go ahead. The first thing I'm going to add to it is I like to flavor my water. So lately I've been just using like these True Lemons right here. They don't have that crazy tasting artificial sweetener taste to them. These ones are sweetened with cane sugar and stevia versus like aspartame and all that other stuff. So I really like to use these because they don't give me the headaches that the other ones use. So I'm just going to go ahead and empty one of those in there. Now, I know they say that these are for 16 ounces, but I find them to be incredibly sweet. So I have no problem just using one packet in this for the 32 ounces that I have in here. Sometimes I even water it down even more just because I don't like that overly sweet taste. And then to my water, you guys may have seen in my biotin video, I'll have that linked, or you guys can click the eye above. This is right here what I like to use, 10,000 micrograms, and I just give it a little shake because sometimes it starts to settle at the bottom. And I will just do one full dropper of that in there. You don't need to add more because then you may be taking too much, but for me, I just use one dropper. And then again, if you've seen those biotin videos, you will see that I usually take my biotin with this vitamin B5 supplement. And again, I'll have those videos linked below if you guys want to know why I do that. Right there, we're just going to go ahead and drop that in. And then we're going to add in 1 scoop of my collagen and peptides Bio Plus. This is a bovine hydrolyzed protein right here, and it's getting pretty low, so I probably need to grab some more of that. I like to use this right here because in addition to the biotin that I use for my hair, skin, and nails, I also use the collagen because that's also going to work on my hair, my skin, my nails, and it also has some other vitamins and minerals in there. And so I'm just going to drop that in there, and as you guys can see, it just kind of floats to the bottom. So what I give it a little shake because I don't want it to go up my straw. And then we're going to tighten it up like that, and we are going to give this a really good shake until you have everything thoroughly mixed in there. Okay, you guys, so once you've given this a shake, what I like to do, I shake it up a little bit and then I let it settle. That way I can see if anything settles to the bottom. If anything do settle to the bottom, I continue to shake it until everything is thoroughly mixed in, because trust me, you do not want to be drinking this and get a clump of like the collagen protein in your mouth. It's just the worst thing ever, like texture wise. But yeah, so once you get it all mixed up in there, it is perfect and ready to go. I drink through this really quick and then I just refill this with water. So yeah, that's basically it right there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this bottle, I will have it linked down below. Again, this is the Bottle Joy 32 ounce bottle. It comes with the straw and the carabiner, And then these are the products that I used inside of it. I just have 32 ounces of filtered water, 1 packet of the True Lemon Raspberry, or you can use whatever flavor you want. We have 1 serving of the biotin, the vitamin B5, and 1 serving of these collagen peptides right there. So thank you guys for tuning into this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you have any questions, drop them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.